Do you smell that? Hey, you smelled it right. It's another fart adventure. Today we're going to be fishing at a local creek. They labeled this as a river, but it's really a creek. There are bass, but they're not going to be big. We'll try our best. Let's see what we can catch, and hope you enjoy the video. If you do, click the like, make a comment, hopefully a good nice one, and of course subscribe. It'll definitely help the channel. Thank you for your support. What do you think, guys? This looks doable? Okay. Looks like a little pool here, so I'll give it a shot. With my trusty F7. Let's see if we're going to be able to get something. Oh, wow. Immediate hit. Nice. Oh, came off. No. Oh. Man, that stinks. Well, let's see. Looks like a deep, nice pool there. Give it a, let's get back in there. Okay, that was bad. Maybe that was the only bass and I missed it. Oh, there was something after it. Oh, another strike, but he missed. Oh, there he is, there he is, there he is. Got him, got him. Finally. Oh man, I hope I got that on camera. Whoa, look at that belt, look at the belly on that thing. Woohoo! I knew it, I knew it, told you guys. Woo. Okay, okay, okay. Whoa, look at that belly, look at that belly. Oh my goodness. Look at the belly on this guy. Alright, alright. Okay, one out. Ow, ow, ow. Oof, oof, oof. Okay, okay, okay. I'm just trying to help you. I don't want you. Don't worry. One, two. All right, here we go. It's right there, right in there. This looks like a juicy spot. I knew they were hiding in there. All right, buddy. Thanks for coming. You know what? I'm gonna put you back where I got you. So I don't want you to pour somewhere else. All right, buddy. There you go. Woo! Good job. All right. That was good. That was fun. Finally. Got a good, decent sized bass, but. All right. So I'm continuing downstream, following the river flow. Let's see if we can find any good spot. All right. Juicy looking hole here. Let's see. Got the feeling here, guys. Oh, I got a bite already. I got a bite. Let's go back in. Oh, they're coming at it. I saw them. Don't tell me I gotta go worm. Oh, there we go. There we go. What? Oh my gosh. It's a little bass. Eh? Fish is a fish. It's better than no fish, as everyone would say. I knew it. I knew it. Whoops. Okay, okay. Calm down. Calm down. Don't try to do another buddy escape on me. Ain't gonna work. Not this time. Alright. Little buddy here. Okay. Let's see. Okay, buddy. Alright, thanks for stopping by as usual. Appreciate it. Make my day. Here you go. Go. Whoa. Wow. Okay. Here at the next looking juicy spot. Let's see if I can cast here first. I'm pretty sure most of them are hiding this. So that's what I'm gonna do. Get rocks. Okay. Oh my goodness, came out of nowhere. This little dude. This little dude. Just turn him around so that he doesn't go anywhere. Okay. Get him out. Come a little bit of his fin. Right on top. Little guy, little blood, but he's alright. Sure? Alright, buddy. See ya. Yep. Going right into those rocks. Wow. Oh my god. I can't get a more perfect cast because I wanted to get in there. And I knew it. And I knew it. But again, nice thinky. Nice thinky. Okay, okay. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Getting spine is one thing. Getting hit by these trouble. Oh, no, buddy, escape. No, 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 you need help, buddy. Don't worry, I got you. I got you. I got you. Here you go. Okay, you came back the wrong way. Yep, there you go, there you go. Nice, nice. That's it, guys. End of the video. Hope you liked it. And if you did, click the like, comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. It definitely helps a lot. Thank you.